Alright, let's look at the Algebra 2 topic 4c. Determine the effect on the graph of f of x equals the square root of x when f of x is replaced by a times f of x plus d, f of b times x, and f of x minus c for specific positive and negative values of a, b, c, and d. Let's look at numbers 2 and 3. So on number 2 we have y equals the square root of x plus 5 plus 2. This is a square root function, not cube. There's nothing there, so you assume there's a 2. The domain, it would be starting at -5 because we can't have anything less than -5 for x here, or it'd be imaginary, undefined here, or just not real. So we'd have, let's plot that point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then up 2. So this is where the graph will start. We have -5 to infinity. And for the range, we take this 2. And it can't go any lower than that, so it would be 2 to infinity. And then we'll just draw our half parabola. From there, there is no reflection, there's no negatives or anything right here. There's no dilations. From the origin, it went to the left and it went up. Okay, number 3, we have a cube root function because it has a 3 right here. We'll be doing more of those next semester as well. Let's plot that point, -6, -2. And it's positive, so we're just going to write our half parabola this way. Since it's cube root, it's also going to be defined at the negatives. So like if you had negative, for example, -14, the cube root of -8 would be -2. It's a real number. So we just write another half a parabola facing the other way. So the domain is all real numbers, negative infinity to positive infinity. The range is also all real numbers, negative infinity to positive infinity. If you ever have an odd degree function, the domain and range will be all real numbers. If it's even, like the square roots though, it may not be all real numbers. There's no reflections, there's no dilations. And then from the origin, it went to the left and it went down. Go ahead and try the rest of these on this page now.